quadratic equation having the root log 8 base 2 log 100 base 10. Let alpha is equal to log 8 base 2. This is equal to log 8 means 2 cube base 2. It can be written as log a power m is equal to m log a. 3 into log 2 base 2. That is equal to 3 into this is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Next beta is equal to log 100 base 10. That is equal to log 100 means 10 square base 10. Beta is equal to 2 log 10 base 10. Same, log a power m is equal to m log a. So beta is equal to 2 into log 10 base 10 value 1. So beta is equal to 2. Alpha is equal to 3. Beta is equal to 2. Required quadratic equation. Quadratic equation formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Substitute in place of alpha and beta 3 and 2. That is x square minus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 3 plus 2 is 5x plus 3 into 2 is 6. So final answer is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Express sin theta in terms of tan theta. Sin theta is equal to, I am writing for the sake of convenience, I am multiplying and dividing by cos theta. So into cos theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta, I am writing these two. Sin theta divided by cos theta into cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. 1 is over. Into, I am writing this cos theta as 1 by secant theta. Cos theta as 1 by secant theta. So finally it can be written as tan theta by secant theta. Tan theta by secant theta. Tan theta by, we are writing this secant theta root 1 plus tan square theta. Root 1 plus tan square theta. So I will explain one. AOB is the diameter of a circle with center O and AC is a tangent. AOB diameter, AC is tangent. So the circle at A, angle BOC is equal to 130 degrees. Then find ACO. Here in the diagram, AOB is a straight angle. AOB can be written as BOC plus COA. Angle BOC plus angle COA is equal to 180 degrees. Already given BOC is 130. 130 plus COA is equal to 180 degrees. Angle COA is equal to 180 minus 130. So angle COA is equal to 50 degrees. Angle COA is equal to 50 degrees. So here 50 degrees. Already angle OAC is equal to 90 degrees because of the angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So angle OAC is equal to 90 degrees. So OAC is a triangle. In triangle OAC, angle O plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle O means COA, that is 50. Angle A means OAC, that is 90 degrees. Angle C means ACO. Angle C can be written as ACO is equal to 180. 50 plus 90, 140. 140 plus ACO is equal to 180. Angle ACO is equal to 180 minus 140. ACO equal to 180 minus 140. So angle ACO is equal to 40 degrees. Angle ACO is equal to 40 degrees. Flagpole stands vertically on the ground from a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 45. Draw a suitable diagram for this given data. First, a flagpole stands vertically. This is flagpole. AB is flagpole. Vertically on the ground. 15 meters away from a foot of the tower. A flagpole stands vertically on the ground from a point. This is a point. C is a point. C is a point. Distance of C from foot of the tower is 15 meters. 15 meters. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. So here BC is equal to 15 meters. Angle ACB equal to 45 degrees. So AB is tower. AB is tower. This is given suitable. Is the pair of linear equations 3x minus 5y is equal to 7 and 6x minus 10y equal to 13 are inconsistent? Justify your answer. So first we should know what are the condition for inconsistent. So the condition for inconsistent lines is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. It is not equal to C1 by C2. We have to verify this condition. This is the condition for inconsistent